Okay, we're Park County. We're at Los Pinos Mexican room.
It's okay. It's okay.
Well, William, the cameraman, again, making me chuckle. So we've got tacos here, refried beans, rice, and some chips. Let's see what the chips are like. Just came back from the Park High National Honor Society induction of I think 13 new people. Good job to them. Usually your brains always goes farther than any other talent, I guess. So William is going to chime in. I know he'll give this close to a 10 because this is his favorite place to eat in all of Livingston. He's always begging to come here. So I'm going to try it right now. That's pretty spicy. Well, what do you think?
For what? The
rice.
Salsa? Oh, the rice is like a 9.5.
9.5? Salsa's pretty good, right?
The salsa?
What do you give it to salsa? How's it compared to? I'll tell you, I like the Hungry Mexican salsa better.
I think I like this one a little bit more.
Okay. All right. Get my fork here. All right. Rice. Okay. Truth is, we sat down, what, about, it only took them about 10 minutes to get us that food once we placed our order. But I'm somewhat surprised because the rice is kind of cool, and the beans are kind of cool also. The taco's good. The ambiance, I think this is a cool place. It's decorated for Halloween. So see the skeleton there? And over here, that's a pretty nice place. So price, we're paying 26 bucks a piece for our meal. Yeah, it was. Oh wait, I'm wrong. It's 17.
Mine was 16.
Oh, mine must be 16 too. Well, I'll have it in the story how much it was. And I think that's it. We'll have the. Okay, go ahead, Will.
You try.
Yeah, I already gave it.
You did?
Yeah, I didn't give it a score though. I'll give it a score. I'm gonna rate it. I like Hungry Mexican better. That's me. I thought the taco was a lot crunchier. I'm gonna give it a 8.9.
I'll give it a 9. I like the ground beef a little bit more, which is like a 10, but this is still pretty good.
So 9?
Yeah, not.
All right. That's it. I'll have more inside the dugout. That's it for now.